Welcome back to my channel. Today's a really fun video. We will be unboxing and setting up the Glowforge Aura, which is the crafter's laser. It's a lot smaller than most lasers and can fit on your desk and still cuts most of the same material that a Glowforge Pro or Basic cuts. So without further ado, let's get into it. Well, we can tell it's very well packaged. Then we have the Glowforge setup. Let's not lose this. And then the beautiful machine. And the machine comes well. Okay. We have a machine. And some cardboard that we will open up in a second. Now let's go ahead and just move this out of the way. It looks like we have the hose for the filter in here, which we'll connect that in just a minute. I'm not sure what this is, so let's go ahead and grab my laptop so we can go get it all set up. Glowforge website setup is so easy to follow along. It has videos for each step along the way, so you know you're not messing anything up. And now the Glowforge is set up, so let's move on to the exhaust. This filter should be just as easy to set up, if not easier, than the Glowforge Aura. Once I get it open. So here's a little instruction manual, just 8 steps. Power cord. And it's super small, hence why it can go anywhere in your house with you. All right, let's pop this off. It says remove. We're gonna remove that. Remove this. Here's the air filter. And let's do a quick read to see what we need to do. All we need to do is open this up, secure it back in here. You want to make sure the green lines are connected. And let's connect it to the machine. All right, let's go ahead and attach it. It's a silicone ring, so it's kind of super easy. And it's that simple, less than 10 minutes and your Glowforge Aura is set up and ready for its first cut. If you want to join along with me in my Glowforge Aura journey, make sure you like and subscribe. In my next video, we will be doing our first cut, so hope to see you there. Bye.